What are you going to do when you get rich? Are you going to buy a Lexus or a Phantom? Welcome to the channel. This is where I review luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about them, 3 things I don't like about them. Today's episode, 10702 Levico Way, 6-bedroom, 9-bathroom, 12,586 square feet, over 4 acres of land, and it's selling for $30,950,000. That price just tells me like they would take 30. You know, nothing under 30, you know. Okay, let's start with 3 things I love about this property. Now, before I tell you that, this video is my personal opinion for educational and entertainment purposes. If you have specific questions about this property, you can contact the listing agent right here, okay? 3 things I love about this property. Number 3, masculine architectural style. I love that. It's no ifs and buts, super masculine, expected in the luxury department, especially traditional properties. It meets the criteria. I love it. Number 2, the approach. I mean, look at this driveway. It is almost a mile long. It's so long you can literally charge toll in the middle and your guests won't even question you about it, because that's a long way to get in, and that's a lot of framing. I mean, you can plant a lot of olive trees on the side of this and make it so beautiful. And then when you get to the property, your frontage is there, backyard is there, side yards are there. It's just fantastic. Great lot overall. The number 1 thing I love about this property is privacy. Look, this is a gated community that even I didn't know it existed, and gated communities trending for a premium nowadays, and that's a big positive for this property. And even when you're up there, you only have 1 real neighbor, and there are very few homes that are looking into your backyard, and that's from really far away. I think it's a fantastic private property.
Hang on, Arvid, can you tell me what ZipSmart has to say about this property?
According to ZipSmart.ai, there's a 33% chance that interest rates will be less than 6% in end of 2024, and that's not good. That meaning interest rates are not coming down anytime soon. This is based on Fed futures funding data. So when you're about to make a decision about real estate, you can check what does it look like the future mortgage rates will be. This is particularly mortgage rates, okay? Now, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3, $10,500 a month for HOA. I don't know what they're spending this money on. They better be gold plating the freaking asphalt over here, because that's even heavy to like Hidden Hills standards, way more than Beverly Park standards. And Beverly Park is a well manicured, beautiful gated community. What the hell is going on in this gated community that is $10,500? And that's just not good. Number 2, it's Upper Bel Air. It's not Lower Bel Air. You gotta take quite a drive to get there, and it's just not prime location. But the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the fact that it's failing to inspire. Look, it's like buying a Lexus, right? Very good foundation, very good differential, great shocks, and very smooth ride. But you don't have the oomph, you don't have that turbocharged phantom suicide doors, right? I have to say, it really fails to compete with the other properties that are on the market. But the book says you should buy it. It's great on paper, and good value buyers should buy this property. So if you want to know how much I would pay for it, you can reach out to me direct, and I would love to help you out with that. And if you want to make a real estate decision, I think ZipSmart will do a fantastic job helping you in about 2 weeks or so. So I'm going to launch version 3.0, and we're going to raise the prices. And when we do raise the prices, you'll be very sorry you didn't sign up, because you would have been grandfathered in. And like and subscribe. And if you like this video, you will like one of these videos. Oh, that was my developer for version 3.0. Did you hear? That was Slack. It's coming. It's coming. Hurry up and sign up. Yep, hurry up and sign up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.